Hello students, and welcome back to your English class. Today we are doing lesson 23 and we are continuing with unit 5, and our topic for unit 5 is what are you watching? What are you watching? Yes, that is it. Good job. Right. Now we're going to watch our introduction video, and it's a bit long. Okay, so you can do more grammar exercises on it. Okay, so you're just gonna click the link on your LMS and go to the YouTube video and watch the introduction video, and when you're finished, I'm going to ask you the question. So it's the same video as last time. Okay, it's the same video. You're just gonna continue where you stopped, continue. Okay, all right, so number 1 is, what are the twins doing in the water in the bath? So you have to write full sentence. The twins are, look at what they are doing and read, it's there on the video, and write down the answer. What are the twins doing in the water in the bath? Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2, at bedtime, what is Lucy and Oliver's mom doing in their room? At bedtime, what is Lucy and Olive's mom doing in their room? Okay. Question 3. What is Olivia doing on her bed? What is Olivia doing on her bed? Number 4. What are Olivia's parents doing at her door? What are Olivia's parents doing at her door? Number 5, I'm not going to type these questions out, so you have to watch this video and you answer the questions and watch the introduction video. Okay? Right, number 5. What questions do they ask Olivia when they enter her room? What question do they ask Olivia when they enter her room? So they ask her one question. Question 6. What do Olivia's parents do to her before they leave her room? What do Olivia's parents do to her before they leave her room? Question 7. After her parents leave her room, what is Olivia doing now? After her parents leave her room, what is Olivia doing now? Okay, you make sure you just write all those sentences out. So it's going to take you maybe 8 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, depending on how fast or how slow you are. Okay, watch the introduction video and answer the questions that I asked you. Good job. Okay, now we're going to go to our student books and turn to page 33, which is listening, right? This page. Okay, we're going to go to our student books and turn to page 33. Okay, before you listen, you have to match the activities to the words. Match the activities to the words. Okay, so that's number 1. And then you fill it in, right? You fill in the numbers. Okay, and then number 2, listen to the phone calls. 2 people are talking. Match the pictures to the phone calls. So you have to go to the online book and go to the audio and find unit 5 and go to listening. Do number 2. Okay, that is matching. Okay, number 3, play the same listening again. Listen. We have 2 people, Yuki and Joe. All right, and you have to correct the information. The information is wrong. You must change the information. Okay, in number 3. And then number 4, we have listening plus. Listen to the conversation, between Yuki and Joe and choose the correct answer. Okay, so you have to choose the correct answer. Okay, so let's look at number 4. Number 1, Yuki is A, Joe's friend, B, Joe's mother, C, Joe's math tutor. Okay, so you choose which one is correct after doing the listening. Okay, only one selection, one answer only. Okay, so you cannot choose them all, only one. Okay, number 2, Joe is good at math. A, and he likes it. B, and he works hard. C, but he doesn't work hard. Okay, so choose which one do you think is correct, A, B, or C. And number 3, Joe's answer to the first question is A, on page 18, B, correct, C, incorrect. Okay, so you must select the answer that you think is right. Okay, good job. And then now let's turn to page 34, which is the reading, the next page. Right, next page is reading in our student books, page 34. 34, I'm sorry, page 34. Page 34. Okay, right. So please look at the pictures. We can see people standing. What are the people doing wrong? We can see the people in the supermarket, the first picture. And what do you see? What is wrong? What is wrong that they are doing? And then in the second picture, we can see people in a movie theater. What is that they are doing that is wrong? Okay, so you tell me. Okay, right. Number 1. Okay, I'm going to read and you're going to listen. First time you're going to listen, and then second time I'm going to read again and you are going to repeat. Okay, right, let's get started. Do you have good cell phone manners? Okay, so cell phone manner is how do you use your cell phone or handphone in public? Do you follow the rules and you're polite and you're a good person, or you don't have good manner? You just speak loudly, hello, in the train, hey, in the restaurant, or do you speak politely, or do you go outside to answer your phone, or if you're in class and your phone rings, or in a meeting? So cell phone manners, okay? Do you have good cell phone manners or bad cell phone manners? Each person knows the answer. Okay, let's go. Do you have good cell phone manners? We all love our cell phones, but we sometimes speak too loudly. We make calls in the wrong places, and we have terrible ringtones. What about you? How good are your cell phone manners? Here are some cell phone scenarios. Scenario 1, so like an example scenario of what could happen in real life, an example of what happens. Okay, example 1, scenario 1. You're sitting with friends at a table in a cafe. Everyone is looking at their phones. They're texting, checking email, looking at social network sites. No one is talking. Your phone rings. What do you do? Do you A, answer the phone, B, walk away and answer it, C, ignore the call? Okay, so you decide. Check your answer. Scenario 2, you're sitting in class, you're listening to the teacher, you receive a text from your best friend. Hey buddy, we have to talk, it's important. Do you A, ignore the text, B, text back and tell your friend you're in class, C, leave the classroom and call your friend? What do you do? Okay. Scenario 3, you're at a rock concert. The singer in the band says, please do not record our songs on your phone. Do you A, turn off your phone, B, Call a friend and hold your phone in the air. C, record the entire show. Okay, so what do you do? What are your cell phone manners? Okay, let's get started. Do you have good cell phone manners? We all love our cell phones, but we sometimes speak too loudly, we make calls in the wrong places, and we have terrible ringtones. What about you? How good are your cell phone manners? Here are some. Cell phone scenarios. Scenario 1. You're sitting with friends at a table in a cafe. Everyone is looking at their phones. They're texting, checking email, looking at social networking sites. No one is talking. Your phone rings. What do you do? Do you A, answer the phone? B, walk away and answer it? C, ignore the call. Scenario 2. You're sitting in class. You're listening to the teacher. You receive a text from your best friend. Hey buddy, we have to talk. It's important. Do you A, ignore the text? B, text back and tell your friend you're in class? C, leave the classroom and call your friend? Good. Scenario 3. You're at a rock concert. The singer in the band says, please do not record our songs on your phone. A, do you turn off your phone? B, call a friend and hold your phone in the air? C, record the entire show. Okay, good. Good job. Okay, then you choose your answers to that. Okay, number 2, please read the article and decide if those ideas are good or bad ideas that you chose. Okay, so if you chose number C, and then decide if next to it write B if it's a bad idea. If it's a good idea, write good. If it's a good cell phone manners. Okay, right. And then it's page 34. Yes, so number 3, you have to write A or B. You have to write what are 2 good cell phone manners, and you have to write what are 2 bad cell phone manners. Okay, so you have to write that. That is the end of page 34. Right, and now we're going to go to our workbooks. Workbooks, turn to page 28, please. So we take our workbooks and we turn to page 28, which is listening. So you're going to go to the online practice book and you will listen and you will choose the correct answer. You will do number 1. Number 2, you will listen again, then you will answer the questions. Okay, and then the next one is pronunciation. Listen to the unreduced and the reduced sounds, okay? And you choose. You have to listen to the audio and then you choose if it's reduced or if it's unreduced. Okay, right. And then you have to go to the next page, page 29. Please do the reading. It's called Meet the Family, and then answer number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay, good job, everyone, and I am going to see you in the next class. Goodbye. Thank you.